Chat. I don't know how to do it that way, where you just click it off. What did that? What kicking now come? Country girl. Me I don't know.
No, babe.
You know what? Fuck them. Me go. You
Eh?
wait. Let me take off this.
Pressure for me, I say, darling. Telephone vacation, darling.
See the people in the comments. You know something now.
Guys, first triple. Guys, what can do on that triple? We can't get more. Oh, we have on that triple.
Oh, chef, it's your daughter's birthday. Okay.
That's what that would be nice.
And she still don't beard. Triple. Oh, shit. Triple, guys. Go on times 3, y'all. Go on times 3. Everybody go on triple, y'all. Everybody go on triple. Triple team. Let's go. Mommy Rose, thank you. Black Empress. Know who the fuck we are. They can't fuck with us, y'all. Mommy Pumpkin. Thank you, guys. We have 3 fragments. And we're not losing any. We might. I don't know. Let me see. No, we got 3 fragments. Clock it. We staying on top, baby. You know, so you know everybody business. You know terrible though. You know look a bit of a mixer. Smarty said, Smarty said the 3 that's represent fuck, fight, or funeral. Fuck, fight, or
What? Which that? Tell me.
that is Smarty get 3 that's tattoo. Right there, so. I want art. So is either the dot, you have to fight your way from the dot for get the big art, the key to the art. Or is it that mean
That's 16 rows. 16 persons in a rows, guys. 10 more. Shantae, what's up, Peggy? Peggy Lulu. Come on, guys. 16 persons in a rows. Guys, we have to catch a speed. 16 persons in a rows. Come quick, guys. It's up. 16 roses, guys. Guys, we're not sleep on me. 16 rows. I'm not catch a speed, you know. Guys, I don't know how work
I chose she there hospital and she said she lucky she have to make her money. Me not really care about them, you know. I push on right them. Triple. Them say
yeah, so, Bonnie. So, somebody sent me one video, right?
yeah, triple.
And the video said...
Oh, thank you. Sorry. Wait, after triple. Triple.
Somebody can't snap. Me can't be
Triple. One Black Empress, 1 Mommy Rose. Alright, triple team.
Guys, we must recharge and help me out now.
That must she never done ask.
We didn't catch a triple.
That's why I don't listen to anything about the internet. Say I will alone them fool all the way. I don't care, me no want to hear. Triple. Hey, we have to go hey, make sure to subscribe because the things there. Where's the now?
Yeah, come back now. Guys, we need a snipe. We have to push up a score. Alright, guys, we're almost at 100k, like 10k more. Alright, so somebody sent me one video, right? And the video was alive, like some people in one box. And they must say, somebody PH me about something. So I said, what? I never know this. Because no people are sending me it and I say, when this come or whatever. You know, people like will know me or whatever. I mean, I said, no. So I text the person. When they're on the live, I said, they PH me, but whatever. And The person said no. If you realize I was on the live defending you, but you know, some people weird. People play two sides because when we listen to something, you that sound like you're not really on my side and you're somebody that I know. But then when I page you, cause you say you page me and you not text me and the video make me page you. So when I page you now and say me here, so you say you page me. So all that go on, whatever. And the person said no. If you listen to the video, I said whatever. Then just try to get themselves out tight and really and truly them that try to look forward and it not work. So that's why everybody has said to you say somebody bad me up. But I forgot and I say, what? You page me about what? No understand I fucking know this.
A girl we can run from the bathroom, go downstairs, can page her body. You notice the people when they're fat as they start run then drop. That's enough to make them well, like and then chang, you know. Yeah, I have to stab them, then chang, then use all of them fat might and pull your ear. That's all they know to do. Hold ear and pull ear. Listen, then the girl there run left them because they can't run.
It was actually a boy. A boy on the live.
So what was wrong?
No, the guy. That's what I say. Why you page me?
Mommy Rose, thank you.
But he declare himself, so I say, alright, I'm not.
Oh, the boy.
Come there, I'll come live and whatever, and then I said, no, sir. He declare himself, so nah, this me, so just leave it alone. I said, just leave it alone. He explain himself, and he said, okay, fine.
Yeah, if he explain everything, it is.
Yeah, so that's why I leave it. Guys, we have a triple.
Pebbles. Ooh, Pebbles.
Guys, when the guy should put
the person gay.
On something.
The person gay?
The guy?
Yeah.
No, it's a youth, like a normal guy.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, when the guy should put on the
Triple my team.
Kira, thank you. Somebody can help Kira, guys. We need donuts and arts, money guns. What up, babes? You have some pretty gift in Miss Looks. Thank you.
Girl, no argue with dirty girl.
Triple, guys, triple.
It was not beat me a blood clot. She put her name, me I put her face. A competition. A competition. Because she and her one friend them in a competition who can stay in a Airbnb long. Everybody a fight for a piece of views. One hospitalized and then it viral on TikTok. This a blood clot Hagia could make our friend get the little eyelids and she hospitalized. So she run go put on tattoo for get the eyes off of she back pan she. No me go put mine in my face and me I take it from the two of them. Blood clot, watch. It's a war in the air. It's a war in the air. Remember for skin, and when we come in at the new world, it's going to be a new skin. Maybe put on Drakes and Drakes not put on for me. I got Bahamas go box up girl body if you go slingshot bossing head.
16 different people send a rose. Quick, guys. Yeah, me not catch it triple.
It's a fight for the views over
16
this.
16 different people. 16 rows.
16 rows. And you see Jaden him, he must store up something. Him know him do too, you know. You see him clutch and powers. 16 rows, him know him do. 16 rows.
Thank you. We're trying to triple for you send more gift, Peggy. So, come on, guys. We want 2 more person. 2 new people send a gift.
Yeah, we can't mix Landa and Emmy. Landa and Emmy is genuine love. There is no series. There's a series is fakeness. When you hear about series, it's fake. Blood clot. We hear about series are fake. The people that have them true genuine love from a longer time. Shoot pan the triple. Yes, what that? What blood clot? Red Royal! Let's go! Red Royal, thank you. Let me beg him. Turn up, you know. I get up. Mommy Rose! Forever! Keep putting gifts. Chat, thank you. Everybody use a triple. Everybody use a triple. Everybody use a triple. Use a triple, chat. Bumbleclad. Forever, thank you. Forever, thank you, baby. Thank you. Yes. Use a triple team. A 6 we again.
Triple, guys. Anything else on the triple?
Yeah, the 6.
Guys, we have to break the 6. Murder.
We need right now. We need for Britney come back. Come take our one. Then like the doctor them make Britney come back. The doctor them not deal with the thing good. If me did not say that one joke, they would have make Britney change forever. Me that tell the doctor, don't give her the full joke, give her half joke. So she would have half a little sense and then half a little madness. So it would have mix. It a mix and we would have enjoyment on the app. But then give mama one dose of a sense. I know she does a cool. What you mean me for go bed? I take a shower when I'm ready. I take a shower when I'm ready. I'm not taking a shower. I have an 8 hours drive. My friend gonna pick up ice 10 o'clock. I'm driving 8 hours somewhere right tonight. So I can't sleep. Y'all wanna chuckle with me? Cause 8 hours is long. We gonna chuckle together. Yeah, 8 hours. Chat triple. About triple. Gloves. Then this serious. 8 hours is long time, Vani. I know, I have a collaboration with somebody. Make sure you gas up. No, I'm gonna stop and get gas. I have a collaboration with somebody. We coming with you? Period. I put on my green screen. Whatever, yeah, person. A 6-way gear.
That's enough for break this
You, mommy Rose, thank you, mommy Pumpkin, Miss Becca. The person that gave me the balloon red. Never get to fly. Ghosty, thank you.
Guys, enough for break this 6.
Where's that?
Love you, son. Guys, thank you. Watch out, let's big up my baby them.
Red Royal, yes. Red Royal, thanks, babes.
Guys, when I have my birthday 6, everybody on the live. Guys, when I have to catch his speed so we can get the double them and the triple them. Alright, guys, so we're gonna birthday 6. I'm gonna put on lip gloss. I don't know I'm addicted.